We haven't had a blizzard, an official blizzard, in about 4 years since January of 2022 in our area. So this is going to be a whole different sort of storm than what we experienced back in January with that fluffy light snow. There's going to be a lot of snow, in fact 1 to 2 feet, pretty widespread. So that is similar in terms of the amounts. And I think the chance for some of these bands that could produce perhaps some locally higher amounts over 2 feet in this blue area, as we are going to see snowfall rates of 2 to 4 inches per hour here in the overnight hours right through the daytime hours tomorrow as well. As you go to the north and west, the amounts do drop off, but we're still looking at 8 to 12 inches of snow even as you go back toward Orange and up into southwest New Hampshire. But it is eastern and southeastern Massachusetts that is going to be hit the hardest with this one in terms of the snow. But also we're talking about wind gusts potentially over 70 miles per hour on Cape Cod, and that has us concerned with coastal flooding, particularly for the 3 a.m. Monday high tide. But Kellyanne's going to be talking more about that in just 1 minute. Here's the timeline here. The wall of snow moves in between about 6 p.m. and midnight, and the roads are going to go downhill very quickly. Between midnight and 7 a.m. in the overnight hours, that's when we could see snowfall rates of 2 to 4 inches per hour, along with those strong winds and the coastal flooding concerns. But look, that goes through 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So this goes all day tomorrow. The storm doesn't really taper off until between about 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. tomorrow evening. So this is a long duration storm. Today, out ahead of it, mostly cloudy skies, a few flurries. Temperatures are actually running near the mid-30s on average today. You can see there's some energy spinning toward the Great Lakes and moisture right here coming off the Carolinas. Together in tandem, this generates our storm, which intensifies rapidly. This storm is going to undergo what we call bombogenesis. It's going to bomb out, and all that means is, see how these lines start getting more numerous? Notice how when it's coming up in our area, they get even more so. That is indicating the intensification of the storm, creating really strong northeasterly winds. So this is a major nor'easter in a spot that is just going to be a classic for us in terms of depositing very heavy snow across our area. It doesn't pull away until later tomorrow. So here's your hour-by-hour timeline. As we go through today into this evening, again, nothing more than a few flurries, but this is 6 p.m. and then we'll stop the clock here at 10 p.m. That wall of snow comes in, road conditions go downhill very quickly, and then look at the darker blues here. These are the overnight hours. This is 1 o'clock in the morning. This continues through about 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, right around sunrise through 6 a.m. That's when we have those bands of snow of 2 to 4 inches per hour. And then we're still going to be looking at heavy snow through noontime tomorrow, but the winds are ramping up, peaking midday tomorrow, but going through the afternoon with a gradual taper off of that snow tomorrow evening. So here are your winds. We'll stop the clock at midnight. They're just coming up. Wow, by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, we're gusting over 50, 60 miles per hour. And look at these gusts, potentially over 70 miles per hour on the Cape. And this is right around midday tomorrow. So what does this mean for the coast in terms of tidal flooding? Let's talk more about that now with meteorologist Kellyanne Chicalise.
So we have a couple of advisories and warnings to break down here. First, I want to take you south of Boston because that is where we do have a coastal flood warning. This continues through Monday morning. Beyond that, we have a flood watch from Monday afternoon to Monday night. So we're talking about a long duration impact at the coastline. And it's not just for areas south of Boston. As you move from Boston northward, this is where we do have a coastal flood advisory. The concern here is that as that wind picks up, as Cindy was just showing, we get that onshore wind, that buildup of water. Combine that with astronomically higher tides. Look at this, 2:57 in the morning tomorrow. We are looking at a tide height of about 10.4. That's without throwing in the surge. And with that kind of wind, we could see a 2 to even 3 foot surge. That's something we'll have to watch for in terms of beach erosion and coastal flooding, especially moving south of Boston.
Yeah, minor to moderate coastal flooding, Kellyanne. So we are going to be watching for that for sure. And as we make our way through the day tomorrow, that blizzard warning obviously goes throughout the day. Beyond this storm, things do start to settle down. As we head toward Tuesday, we will have some sunshine returning, temperatures near freezing, but the pattern is still active. Wednesday, we've got a chance of light snow. We get a break on Thursday, and then Friday, snow likely changing to rain as temperatures come up to around 40 degrees. And by next weekend, it does look milder. Temperatures will be well into the 40s. We'll get some melting of all of this new snow on the way.